Hey, yo, what's up, my people? Here we are again. So here's the issue that we got. You can see right here. So what typically happens is this oil pressure sender unit gets tightened just a little bit too much, and something like this. So this way you can see it. Right there, that crack, as you can see right there. So it ended up getting tightened a little bit too much, and what happens is that it ended up cracking the block. So there you have it right there. This is a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited 3.5 liter NA. See you on the next video.